Welcome to iiniit. We are a software company dedicated to building practical solutions that make a real difference in how you work and create. At iiniit, innovation meets simplicity. We create SaaS products, developer tools, and open source projects that empower businesses, individuals, and developers worldwide. Today, we'll walk you through everything iiniit has to offer. From our SaaS products and free tools to our open source contributions and unified ecosystem. Visit iiniit.com to explore our complete ecosystem. From powerful SaaS products to free developer tools, everything is accessible from one central hub. We focus on building SaaS products, providing free developer tools, contributing to open source, delivering AI-powered solutions, and maintaining enterprise-grade security for users worldwide. Our philosophy is simple. Technology should simplify life, not complicate it. Every product we build follows this principle. Let's start with our premium SaaS products. These are cloud-powered applications designed to boost your productivity. Our SaaS products are designed to work together seamlessly, providing you with a complete suite of tools for content creation, image processing, and text analysis. Meet our SaaS products. AudioAI for AI-powered audio processing in over 30 languages. Imagee for advanced image enhancement and upscaling. Summarizer for intelligent text condensation, and many more products coming soon. Explore our complete product lineup at iiniit.com/products. Each tool is crafted with care to deliver exceptional user experiences and professional results. Beyond our premium products, we also offer a variety of free tools that everyone can use. We believe great tools should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer a collection of free utilities that help developers and everyday users alike. Our free tools include Netlookup for network diagnostics, Typing Master to improve your typing, Keyboard Tester for online testing, Notekeeper for smart note-taking, and many more launching soon. We believe in the power of open source. Giving back to the developer community is at the heart of what we do. Visit our GitHub at github.com/iiniit to explore our open source projects. We contribute useful tools and libraries that developers can use, modify, and build upon. Our open source projects are built with the same quality and attention to detail as our commercial products. Each project is maintained and documented for easy integration. Our featured projects include BoxMTA for mail server setup, DevAmp for PHP development, Email MX Checker for validation, User Agent Parser for detection, Simple JSON DB Lite for lightweight storage, and more coming soon. Artificial intelligence is at the core of our innovation. We integrate AI to make our products smarter and more efficient. We harness the power of artificial intelligence to create products that learn, adapt, and deliver exceptional results. Our AI integration spans audio processing, image enhancement, and text analysis. Our AI workflow is simple. Upload your content, let our AI process and analyze it, receive smart enhancements, and get professional quality results in seconds. Now let's talk about our unified ecosystem. One account gives you access to everything iiniit offers. With iiniit's central authentication system, you only need one account. Sign in once and access all our products, tools, and services securely. No more juggling multiple passwords. Your account dashboard is the control center for your iiniit experience. Manage your profile, security settings, connected services, and preferences all in one place. Our ecosystem provides single sign-on convenience, seamlessly connected applications, enterprise-grade security, and automatic profile synchronization across all services. Managing payments should be simple. That's why all iiniit products use a central billing system. Our unified billing dashboard lets you manage all subscriptions, credits, and payment methods in one place. You get complete visibility into your spending across all iiniit services. Choose what works best for you. Subscriptions offer predictable monthly or annual plans, while credits let you pay as you go with no commitments. Use credits across any iiniit product. iiniit is built for everyone. Whether you're a business, an individual creator, or a developer, we have solutions for you. From enterprise businesses to individual creators to passionate developers, iiniit provides the tools and solutions you need to succeed in today's digital world. For businesses, we offer enterprise-ready tools with dedicated support. Individuals get powerful yet easy-to-use tools for personal projects. Developers can access APIs, SDKs, and open-source projects to build upon. iiniit is constantly evolving with the latest technology trends. We stay up to date so you don't have to worry about falling behind. Our ecosystem continues to grow. With over 10 products and tools, more than 5 open-source projects, support for over 30 languages, and 99% uptime commitment. From our founding vision to launching our product ecosystem, from building an open-source community to pioneering AI-powered innovation, we're just getting started. We believe the future belongs to those who build it, and we're building it together with our community of users, developers, and partners. Ready to get started? Visit iiniit.com today. It's free to start, no credit card required, and one account gives you access to everything. We can't wait to build something amazing with you. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, X, and GitHub to stay updated. Visit iiniit.com and start building with us today.